Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Vasudev Korgaonkar, Anjuna BJP ZP member, is frontrunner as North Goa ZP chairperson. Korgaonkar Minister Mandrekar's recommendation. GVP wants 2 years term for Nelly Rodriguez as South Goa ZP chairperson. Nelly to meet BJP leaders and independents on Sunday. MOEF order cancels 18 ECs, 72 ECs restored, asks state government to monitor capping limit prescribed by Supreme Court, orders inquiry into illegalities. Shubham Chodankar takes over as CCP mayor, but BJP corporators upset with tie-up with Babush, says pressure from BJP higher-ups to accept alliance with Babush. And Sporting Club de Goa fight back to hold East Bengal to a draw in Kolkata. Wolfe Anodafa shine for flaming orange. Now the news in detail. Vasudev Korgaonkar from BJP is all set to become chairperson of North Goa Zilla Panchayat. Three-time Zilla Panchayat member Korgaonkar has strong backing of Panchayat Minister Mandrekar. BJP and MGP together won 12 seats in North Goa. Korgaonkar may enjoy majority as Babush Ponsrat has declared his unconditional support to the BJP panel.
ZP polls and results are through. Now all eyes set on the selection of chairpersons of North and South Goa Zilla Panchayats. BJP has zeroed in on North Goa Zilla Panchayat chairperson. Sources inform that Anjuna Zilla Panchayat member Vasudev Korgaonkar is all set to take over the chairmanship of North Goa. Korgaonkar enjoys strong backing of Panchayat Minister Mandrekar. In North Goa, BJP-MGP coalition won 12 seats while independents won 13 seats. Sources inform that Santa Cruz MLA Babush Monserrat's two independent candidates would be supporting the candidate selected by the BJP. Similarly, coalition partner MGP will ensure that independent candidate Srimati Mandrekar will support BJP-MGP candidate. Srimati Mandrekar is a MGP supporter. If Babush Monserrat and independent Zilla Panchayat member from Morji constituency Srimati Mandrekar support BJP-MGP candidate, then equation will be 12 plus 3, taking the BJP-MGP ZP members strength to 15, while current equation of 13 independent Zilla Panchayat members would come down to 10. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent.
Kolwa ZP member Nelly Rodriguez is all set to become South Goa Zilla Panchayat chairperson once again. Sources inform that Nelly will be meeting independent members on Sunday. Goa Vikas Party Chief Miki Pacheco will demand for the post of chairperson for 2 years and remaining term for BJP-MGP. While BJP is planning coronation of their Dawarli ZP member Ullas Tuvekar.
BJP, MGP and GVP alliance won 13 seats in South Goa and independents won 12 seats for Zilla Panchayat poll. Independent candidates made mega alliance. BJP, MGP and GVP candidates sweat out. Mega alliance is having a tough time selecting their South Goa Zilla Panchayat chairperson. Sources inform that GVP Kolwa Zilla Panchayat member Nelly Rodriguez is front runner for chairmanship. Sources also informed that Goa Vikas Party Chief Miki Pacheco will demand South Goa chairmanship for 2 years term. He will only extend his support if the BJP-MGP agrees to give 2 years for party as ZP chairman, otherwise he might support independent candidates. On Sunday, Miki is meeting BJP leaders and will put forth his demand. He is very much confident that his demand will be fulfilled by the BJP. GVP is projecting Nelly Rodriguez for chairman's post. 4-time winner Nelly has the edge over others. Nelly will also meet independent members on Sunday and will urge to support her as chairman. Sources said that independent Clafasio Dias from Kurtori constituency is also interested in chairmanship, but he will step back if Nelly becomes chairman. BJP is trying to elect Ullas Tuvekar from Dawarli constituency for the top post, but first they will have to ensure Goa Vikas Party's support. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent.
Finally, the MOEF order on revocation of suspension of ECs has reached Goa. Order says that 18 mines falling under protected areas will be cancelled. 22 leases are awaiting forest clearances. Once they get it, the ban on EC clearance will be released. Altogether, suspension of 72 ECs will be withdrawn. Order also asks government to ensure capping of 20 million tons and probe into all illegalities in mining sector as mentioned in the EAC report.
The much-awaited MOEF order on revocation of suspension on environment clearances of mining leases in Goa has reached the state government. As per the order, 12 mining leases are located fully in the protected area and 6 mine leases are located partly in protected area. Hence, ECs of 18 mining leases falling under protected and partly protected area would be cancelled. 11 leases falling under protected area belongs to Messrs. Kantilal and Company Private Limited. 1 lease belongs to Chaugule Company. 23 leases may be considered for ECs if Supreme Court modifies its order on 1 km buffer zone allowing phasing out of mines. 22 leases are directed to obtain forest clearances in order to issue the environment clearances. Finally, the MOEF order has decided to lift the ban on ECs of 72 cases. The order has also directed Goa government to strictly implement a credible mechanism for regularly monitoring the capping limit of 20 million tons per annum for Goan mining. It also mentions that mining of dumps is not permitted unless mentioned in approved mine plan and environment clearance. The enclosure also asks Wildlife Division, Forest Division and State Government to study EAC report highlighting violations by mining companies of various kinds and take action accordingly. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.